Everyone, in this one we are going to learn some basic stuff. Okay, so what we will learn, imagine your manager give you new router. Okay, this is a brand new router 2811 model. Your manager give you this router and he told you, okay, he give you some requirement. Let me write here the requirement. What he told, first task he told, change the host name. Okay, change the host name as R1. This is the first task your manager give. And what is second task? They told enable password we need to set as CISCO. Second thing. Third one he told configure router interface. Okay, or we can write what he told, your manager told, check router interface and configure router interface. He will give you the IP schema, configure router interface. Okay, one interface with 192.168.1.1/24 and another is 192.168.2.1/24. So this is the task your manager give. Okay, and let me write by using console cable or by using console port, because here in this one we don't have the by using console port. I wrote because we don't have anything configure here, SSH or telnet. This is the task your manager give you. If you can read this one. Okay, or let me move this here. This is the router, this is the task from your manager. I hope you can read also. So this is a brand new router your manager give you and he give you this task. So what you will do, you will go here, you will take your laptop. Okay, then click the cable, click the console cable, connect the DB9, that is RS232 of your laptop, and connect that console cable to your console port of the router. Okay, now click this one, go to desktop, click the terminal. This is the default setting, just press OK. You are able to access the console of the router. Okay, you are able to access the console of the router. Now you need to do the configuration. What configuration you need to do? Let me write here. We already have, I wrote here, change the host name, first thing. So first thing you need to change the host name. So what we will do, first I will write here no, then I will go in the privilege mode, then I will go in the global configuration mode. I will write host name R1 as per your manager requirement. Then he told enable password we need to set as a CISCO. So enable password, what he told, CISCO. So write CISCO. So we done the enable password also. After that he told check the interface. So how we will check? We will write do show IP interface brief. First we need to check the interface. Okay, maybe if you did not check the interface, you will just assign the IP to fast Ethernet 1/0, 1/2. But you don't have that interface, then you will get the error. Okay, so better first check the interface, because some of the student, what they are doing, they are not checking what interface they have in the router. What they are doing, just they are going to any random interface, or they are following our video in the YouTube and any other place. Just they are following our video. In that video example, if I assign the IP address to this interface, so just they will type this one and they will say I don't have that interface, I am getting this error. So what you need to do, first you need to check, right? Do show IP interface brief, check what interface you have. Do, because I am in the global configuration mode, so I need to write do. If I am in the privilege mode, then no need to write do, just write show IP interface brief, press enter and check here what interface I have here. In this router I have fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, I have another interface fast Ethernet 0/1. So this two interface I have, I can assign the IP to this two interface. As per your manager, we need to assign one interface IP as 192.168.1.1/24. Okay, another interface we need to assign as 192.168.1.2.1/24. This is a class C IP address. /24 is nothing but 3 times 255.255.255.0. Okay, this is a subnet mask. So we need to assign this one. So what you will do before assigning any IP, first you will check, do we have this interface fast Ethernet 0/0 in my router or not? Maybe you are using different model. Maybe in that router you have G0/0. You are trying to assign the IP to F0/0. It will not work. Simple. So make habit of first checking what interface you have in your router and make sure which interface you want to assign. Maybe imagine another scenario. You have one router here. You are going to connect this router to ISP. Okay. This is the router R1. This one is going to connect to the ISP. So ISP give you one IP. So you need to make sure, you need to look in low level design, LLDP. Okay, low level design. We need to check. We are saying low level design, high level design. There is a documentation. If you are working in any organization, they will give you LLDP, LLD, HLD, low level design, high level design. There is a document. In that one you have all the IP addresses. IP schema is present. You have the layout, network layout, everything is there. So in that one you need to check. This router we are going to install to the ISP. Which interface is connecting to the ISP side? Which interface is connecting to our LAN side? You need to check and you need to make sure what ISP give you. If ISP told you to assign the IP address 200.1.1.1/24, then you need to check your layout. In the layout you need to check which interface is facing towards the ISP, and in that interface you need to assign this IP. Maybe you will assign this IP here and your LAN IP you will assign here, and the technician will install the router, they will put the different port, you will have the issue. No issue, you can change the cable, you can plug this cable here and plug this cable here, but your layout will be wrong. Later when you leave your organization or you go for vacation, any other guy who is following the layout, he is unable to understand. He will say, as per the layout we have this one, but here we have the wrong wiring, misconfiguring, miswiring. We can say miswiring. Someone do miswiring here. So better follow the layout. Okay. So now let's go to our topic. So what we told, we need to assign the IP address as per our manager request. So I will go here. I will write interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Then I will write IP address. What IP your manager told? 192.168.1.1. Give space 255.255.255.0 and write no shut, because by default all the interface of the router, of the Cisco router is done. So you need to write no shut. Then I will go to another interface. What interface I have? Another one, fast Ethernet 0/1. Then I will assign the IP address 192.168.2.1. Then give space 255.255.255.0. This is a subnet mask, and then no shut. Okay. If your manager asks you to save the configuration, write WR to save the configuration. Okay. I hope it is clear. In case if you face any issue, do not worry. Write your question in our comments, or you can WhatsApp us. You can join our Telegram channel if you need all the configuration. Already you know our number. If you don't know our WhatsApp number, look our video description. You will get the WhatsApp number detail in our video description. I hope it is clear. If you are new to networking, if you want to learn in deep, WhatsApp us. We are going to start very soon live batch. You can join that one also. Okay. I hope it is clear for you. Okay. Thank you. Bye.